Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about the in C language structure. Okay, so we will look today what is the structure. Okay, how we can access the element or you know. So basically a structure. Once again. Yeah, structure. So a structure means what? So structure is a group of similar data types or different data types, okay, which is stored in the continuously in the memory. Okay, so data type means like what data type? So int data type, float data type, char data types. So all have some range and how much size it will take. Okay, so as I said, a structure is a collection of similar data types or different data types which is stored in the continuously in the memory, that is known as a structure. Okay, so with the help of example we will see how to access and how we can declare a structure. Okay, so a structure, so declaration first we have to do start employee. Okay, then open bracket curly. So here we will take this is the name of that structure. Okay, that is the keyword where we have to use when we are going to declare or writing a structure. Okay, so and employee is the name of that structure. Okay, so inside we will give data types. So integer, as employee we take integer ID, then char as a take I will name. Okay, and that size we can give, and float in that we can give salary, right? Salary. Okay, so here we can give also as a name also. Okay, so as a declaration. Okay, we have to create object. Now this is the declaration of a structure. We can declare this type of a structure. So here a struct is the keyword and employee is the name of data structure, and we given data. As a data I am given ID, it correct in the given name, float in the given salary. So how to access this? We will do. Okay. So first let declare variable as a structure. Alias name we can also say. So first we have to access this ID. Okay. So here we look. So in main, okay, in main we will access. So first we have to give abstract employee. Then we can declare declare here variable like s1. Okay. So now we have to access ID and name and salary. So we will accessing now. So s1 dot id. Okay, and here we can initialize ID number. Okay, so we will take as ID number 20. Next, char is there, salary is there. So we will go by one. So here initialization ID equal to initialize as a 21. Okay, initialization header. Now we have to print here. Then percentage D. Okay. Next s1 dot id. Okay, ID. Okay, ID. Okay, then if you will do, then here output should become 21. Okay, 21 should be output, because we are taking as a variable s1 and is s1 giving here as ID and initializing 21 as a ID number. So here we are axing. Okay, and here the output will become 21. Now next is name. How to access that name? So again same things, s1 dot name. Okay, up to here we will keep s1 dot name. We can give some assign some name, but because it is a character, so we have to give a string. Okay, name is nothing but is a character or string, right? So for that, like we have to add library for h include a string dot h. Okay, that one we have to add. Okay, when you are adding h include studio.h, na, and that time we have to add h a string dot h. Okay, include string dot h. That is our library file for a string or character. Okay, so for that here we have to give a string library strcpy. Okay, as I said, it is a library file, binary library file. Okay, so string copy dot s9 comma name. What name you want to give? So Avira name here we will give. Okay, so this is the initialization of name. Here we can accessing and initializing Avira as a name. Now same things we have to print. pf a string means we have to use char and s, right? S, sorry, percentage s. Okay, then say s1 dot name. Like that we can access the name also. We will see in practical, like I will show in practical. Okay, for here understanding. Now next one is that we have to access this salary. Okay, so again same thing, s1 dot salary, initialize here salary. Okay, 10,000. Okay, now again print. So if we will go for float, okay, right? Okay, then again missing. Okay, I will just type computation. Then s1 dot salary. Okay, so here output will come 10,000. Okay, so again once I will explain. So a structure, as I said, a structure is nothing but it is a collection of similar data type and different data type. Here using similar data type, we can use also different data type. Okay, so here we use similar data different data types, integer, character and float. These are the data types which we will come under the C, and same thing C++ also. So here we are use different data types. After this is the declaration of a structure. Okay, here creating variable as a s1 name and accessing through s1 to id name and float. So this is the s1 here created. Then we have to give that name. What we are structure we have to give a structure name. Okay, so that things we have to write. Then after created variable s1, then again we are accessing s1 dot id. Here initializing equal to 21 id, then printing something, so output will come 21. Again as I said, this is a string copy, that is the library file in the string. So again s1 dot name, then Avira, so initializing as a name as a Avira. Next one, then printing same things, Avira, it will come here. Then s1 salary increasing, we are initialized as a 10,000. Okay, as a salary, and we are printing same thing. So this is what the structure. Okay, and in a structure, like one keyword is also there, Typedef. Okay, so same things, just we have to change here. Instead of writing, sorry, a strict employee, we can also write Typedef. We can also write. Okay, with the same we can access like that only. So just here we have to add Typedef only. It's one type of keyword. Okay, so okay, next so I will do practical in PC and I will show you. Okay, so now here I will do practical. Okay, what I explain. So I used GTP online compiler. Okay, so first here we will do declare library file as a string. String dot h. Okay, this is a library file for the a string or character. So now first we declare a structure, struct employee. Okay, then id, next char, name, take some sizes, then float. Okay, float in we will take salary. Okay, so this is the declaration of a structure. Okay, here we can also give a alias name, that is alias name nothing, and we will now next, this is the structure created as a declaration of a structure we have created here. As I explained, this is the struct keyword, okay, and as a structure is name here is employee, and in that we are given data types, different type of data types. Now in main we are going to access that all the data types, and we will initialize. Okay, so first we have to take a struct employee, then here we will create some variable like a s1. Okay, then now we are going to access all data types. So s1 first I will take id equal to, here we will initializing some id, okay, number. Now going to print f, that is b, okay, then s1 dot id. Okay, so let's see, I am going to come run, let's see, it should become 20. Okay, yeah, so we got output as a 21. Okay, so next similar we will access all the char name and float salary. Okay, so next is that I will so for a string I said just you have to write library file str copy. Okay, okay, so next, one second, now we can give access s1 dot name. Okay, then we initialize some name, like I said Avira is the name. Okay, now print it. So for string we can use ch and s also. Okay, okay, then again s1 dot name. Okay, let's see, print, I hope it will come. Okay, yeah, Avira is printing name. Next is salary. Okay, let's see salary also. Similar we can do access like that only, s1 dot salary. Okay, so we initialize something 10,000. Okay, give something, and same thing, print scientist f, for float we are using f. Okay, so s1 dot salary. Okay, now print it. Yeah, see 10,000. Okay, so I am not given slice and slice is another, it will come in the next name. Okay, oh, one second, why it's not coming? Okay, here. Okay, so yeah, as a id it's printing 21. Yeah, name as a Avira, employee salary is 10,000. Okay, so like that we can declare and write the code using a structure. Okay, so one thing like Typedef I said, right? So Typedef is one type of keyword. With using that we can also access and write the structure. Okay, so I written Typedef. Now same it will print. If you are going to run, then same things will come. Okay, see Avira Ram. Okay, so Typedef we can also using, that is one type of keyword in a structure. So I hope you got it right, a structure. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Oh, if you like, then please share and like and comment it. Okay, thank you for watching video.